a list. Okay, when we make a list, this is our print function. Then we when we make a comment in our code editor, we use this uh, double forward slash. Okay, suppose we make a list. Okay, make a list. Okay, so this is the this is the process for uh, comment anything. Okay, make a list. Suppose this is the comment, we use double forward slash. Okay, so then suppose we make a list. Suppose we take a variable name. Suppose we make a year. Okay, so equal, then we when we make a list, we must be use a square bracket. Okay, square bracket start and square bracket in. Suppose we use here, suppose 1000, then we use 2000, 2000, then 3000. Okay, so we make a list, right? So now we print this. Suppose variable argument automatically generated, or we press the control and space button at a time. We when we when we show the this our extension automatically, we click to the control and space. Okay, so we call this parenthesis name, and then we, yeah, okay, when we click the run, our list show here. Okay, make a list 0 1 2 3, because javascript is a zero based language. We start from the zero item. 0 is first item, 1 is second item, 2 is third item, 3 is fourth item. Okay, so this is the first item, second item, third item, and fourth. Okay, so this is the process for make a list. Okay, suppose we make another list. Suppose we take a variable name is name. Suppose we must be use square bracket. Suppose we take here Bangladesh, then use Nepal, USA, India. Okay, then we print this name variable. All the um, name of list present in the variable name is name. Suppose we set this variable name can't. It depend on you. It's not a big deal. Okay, simply copy this variable name and paste here and click the run. So our show here this Bangladesh is the first item. Okay, G0 indicate the first item, 1 is the second, 2 is the third, 3 is the fourth, because JavaScript language start from the 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3. Okay, this is a fourth item, 4 item. Okay, so this is the process for make a list. Okay,